This is my pool gear over here. This is my Hayward Heat Pro. It's a 110,000 BTU electric heat pump. And my Hayward sand filter, it's their largest one with the side mount valve. In the back of my heater, I have a bypass valve, so I can bypass the heater. And then the Hayward salt cell, Hayward flow switch, Hayward salt machine. And right now I'm running a Pentair pump. Now that pump is on, but you can hardly hear it. But that is literally on. Future projects, when I get back from my trip, I am going to put in the Hayward pump, which will be on Wi-Fi. I got my disconnects over here for stuff, and that's about it. Right now, I backwashed the filter 2 days ago, and this filter never has gone above 10 for me. So it doesn't get clogged up with dirt and debris. But that's a little tour of my pool gear. And my shut-off valves over there for the end skimmer, the bottom drain, and the side skimmer. Thanks for watching.